The Drin Basin water system supports 1.6 million people, but human activity has caused pollution. Substances harmful for all forms of life and human well-being can be found in surface, underground, and coastal waters. The misuse of fertilizers and stock manure result in increased nutrients, nitrogen and phosphorus input in the basin, and in turn in eutrophication, a phenomenon that leads to excessive growth of plants and algae in water bodies and to the depletion of oxygen, harming living organisms. Nutrient input is especially high in Lakes Ohrid and Skadar-Skoder, where extensive agriculture is practiced. Agriculture is responsible for 50% of total nutrient input in the basin. Eutrophication is caused also by untreated municipal wastewater discharges. Only 17 out of 108 settlements are served by wastewater treatment plants. Hence, each year, 2,006 tons of total nitrogen and 265 tons of total phosphorus end up in rivers and lakes. Untreated municipal wastewater accounts for 30% of total nutrient input in the basin. As a result, fish and other aquatic organisms are dying. Contamination of water with pathogens is an additional effect. We come across this in drinking water sources in the channels of Lake Ohrid and Zeta River. Recreational activities, including tourist activities that take place in the lakes, are also impacted. Uncontrolled disposal of effluents and waste containing toxic substances from industrial facilities and small and medium enterprises have created pollution hotspots, endangering, especially, the quality of groundwater that is used mainly for household needs and irrigation. Emissions of heavy metals from industries in North Macedonia and Montenegro to land and water are estimated at 590 tons a year and 4.15 tons a year respectively. Some of them, such as nickel, cadmium and lead, can be found in both surface and underground waters. Metals, as well as other toxic substances coming from the misuse of pesticides in agriculture, may end up in living organisms in concentrations that may potentially lead to increased genetic mutations and even death for organisms all the way to the top of the food chain. Solid waste is an issue of paramount importance. Only a third of the collected municipal solid waste, 32.2%, is disposed in landfills that fulfill EU requirements. Each year, approximately 400,000 tons of household waste ends up in the Drin Basin. One of the most visible results is plastic flowing through the river and channels into the Adriatic Sea, mainly through Drin Basin's only outlet, the Buna Bojana River. In the marine environment, plastic slowly decomposes into small particles called microplastics, eventually ending up in marine organisms such as fish and then, through consumption, in humans too. Deterioration of water quality in the extended Drin Basin is a systematic trend already leading to the degradation of ecosystems and consequently to their benefits for the Drin riparians. Further action is required, as these transboundary issues impact all riparians to varying degrees. Years of effort by authorities and stakeholders, coordinated by a joint body, the Drin Core Group, established by the Drin riparians and serviced by GWP Med, resulted in the adoption of a strategic action program to address the transboundary issues. The implementation of the actions contained therein has started.